what have you done to ensure that the girls will actually see the
We said it earlier, and it's just a
Fellow Nairobians, I come before you today with great humility and grace to announce my candidature for the Nairobi City gubernatorial race. I come in on a KANU ticket, and I come in within the Jubilee coalition, recognizing the pact that my party KANU has with the ruling coalition Jubilee. Having successfully submitted my credentials through the Jubilee coalition, I am ready. Bearing in mind the limited time that would be left in this administration, I want to promise Nairobians a realistic manifesto. My campaign platform is founded on 5 fundamental central issues. Number 1, I will endeavor to work very closely with the leadership of the Nairobi Metropolitan Services to build wealth creation and security through home ownership for Nairobians.
We agree that our candidate, Betty Andera, she is a qualified. We believe in her, and yet we still have a house within the government as a coalition. So this is an agreement within the house that we agreed. You know, when you are in a house, the father and the mother, there are issues that you can solve before you take it outside there. So this is what we are waiting for, to solve this. Then we have a candidate for the Jubilee coalition. That is simple what we have and what we are waiting for.